Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MAG 31.5-inch 323 UPF display. So friend, this display utilizes a RAPID IPS panel and supports a 4K resolution at a refresh rate of 160 Hz. And friend, this display offers a response time of 1 millisecond and it is optimized for high-speed performance. And friend, it employs display synchronization technology that supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro. And friend, this device also features a USB Type-C port compatible with power delivery up to 90 watt and kVm switch functionality, making it suitable for use with both desktop PCs and mobile notebook PCs. And friend, the main specification is brightness of 450 nit, contrast ratio is 1000:1, VESA display HDR 600, high dynamic range, Adobe RGB 93.6%, DCI-P 3 at 95%, and sRGB at 125.7%. Color gamer display color is about 10.7 billion colors, and interface include 2 HDMI port, 1 display port, 1 USB Type-C port, 3 USB 2.0 Type A port, 1 USB 2.0 Type B port, and headphone output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.